The Life's Breadth 12 by 52 Monocular Telescope delivers impressively clear, high-magnification views that make distant birds, wildlife, and landscapes feel much closer and more immersive than with standard binoculars. Its large 50mm objective lens and fully multicoated glass pull in plenty of light, so details stay sharp and bright even toward dusk or under overcast skies. The included smartphone adapter and upgraded tripod make it easy to align your phone, stabilize the image, and capture surprisingly detailed photos and videos without fumbling with loose accessories. A smooth focus wheel, soft strap, and compact body allow comfortable one-handed focusing, which is especially handy when hiking, scouting, or tracking moving subjects. The rugged, water-resistant construction with sealed optics helps keep out rain, fog, and dust, so the monocular feels reliable in unpredictable outdoor conditions. Protective lens covers, a waterproof carrying case, and a cleaning cloth round out a thoughtful kit that travels well and encourages regular use for birdwatching, travel, and general sightseeing.